I look like a hot mess because I have self tanner on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a clean with me. I look like a literal burnt nugget because I have self tanner on. I have it on my face, my body. I have, oh god, I'm falling. I have it everywhere. So yeah, don't mind that. Just know I have tanner on. We're pasty and we can't be pasty no more. Anyways, today I'm gonna be cleaning my room. I cleaned my car today, so it's making me really want to clean my room as well. My room is horrendously dirty. Like, I'm trying to block it out right now because it is so bad, like so bad. I got some new clothes and stuff, so they're just kind of everywhere. And I also just like haven't cleaned my room the longest time, and also my nail fell off. If you haven't noticed already, I know I'm kind of vibing with it. Just saying. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what my room looks like right now because it is not it. So first over here we have hoodie and dirty bra, and then right here we have all the new clothes that I bought from Urban. Then we have the dirty clothes, the dirty closet. We've got this whole mess. Then we've got this whole mess because this is the stuff that came out of my car. The load of jackets that I had in my car, that's all there. And then this is the bed. This is the vanity. So yeah, it's just not clean at all, and yeah, she needs to stop that. Also, okay, what I was saying is I'm also going to have to make sure I put my this on like time lapse or something because it is actually freezing. So I'm gonna be having my heater on because my room is like the coldest room in the house. It's so bad. The warmest in the summer and it's the coldest in the winter. So I always have to have a portable heater and like an air conditioning unit and all that. So I'm gonna put that on because I'm actually dying. Like, it is so cold. But yeah, enjoy cleaning. so I've pretty much finished it. So pretty much all I have left is just I have my dirty clothes, which I'm gonna leave until this weekend, and then I have this, which is just like trash and stuff, and then I have this I need to put up. I ended up just stuffing my other hoodies and stuff right here because I'm running out of room. I need to get rid of hoodies that I don't wear, but I am like a hoodie hoarder, so it's really hard for me to get rid of them. And then I need to make my bed. It's literally so dirty because my cat sleeps on here and she comes in from outside and it's actually disgusting. I need to wash it, but I just can't do that tonight. So yeah, that's what that's looking like. And then I need to clean this front little part. It's not super dirty, but it's a little dirty, so we're gonna clean it still, obviously. Okay, so I just finished my bed. I need to throw that away still, but all I have left is just this part. Okay, and now we are finished. I cleaned everything. I still just have to throw that away, but for the most part we are done. I don't know if you guys always wonder about that or not, but it's just, I just haven't found a place for that stuff to go, but just don't mind it. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below to become part of the Sav Nation, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!